Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got here is made with bird's eye 100% breast fillet, chicken chop, sizzling fillet burgers. I got these from Tesco, so I'm doing a review of them with a brioche bun, my favourite spicy cheese and salad and stuff, and some relish as well. So just 1 second and we'll give it a taste test. Just show you this. Show you the spicy cheese. Favourite spicy cheese. And some of this tomato relish as well. On a brioche bun. So 1 second and we'll get to it. Now here they are. Just got to put some of this on. Just 1 second. There they are. Look at them. Look at them. Just look at them. Right, 1 second and we'll get down to a taste test. Right, well, let's get to it. 1 second. Right. Here we go. Right. Up brioche bump. Right, let's go. Oh. Oh. Wow. What do you think of that? Well, there's a salad, spicy cheese, tomato relish. You know my marking system, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 with a gold star and off the charts. That is a solid 10 out of 10. There's no two ways about it. Right? Solid 10 out of 10. Anyway, see you on the next one.